Namaste, this is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I welcome you all to our Brahmin Satya YouTube channel. Today's video, what we are going to prepare is basically on education. Uh, Friends, uh, let me tell you that we have established an organization called Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit. This Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit is basically founded to give career oriented and practical education to our students. Our students will get 50% discount in fees over there. All needy students, I will say, will get 50%. All needy, our community students will get 50% discount over there. In this Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit, we will basically be targeting two major things. That is, along with the career oriented courses, we will be teaching two foreign languages. Those languages we will be teaching because our students should get jobs abroad also. Primarily, we have identified German, Japanese, Arabian, and French language. With this, we will also have special emphasis on personality development and English speaking also, because as far as India is concerned, English has been a very important aspect in our day to day life. So English makes a vast difference in as far as India is concerned, and also once you know English, you have ample opportunities in Canada, US, UK, many parts of Europe, Australia, and other ASEAN countries also. So we will be predominantly will be focusing on all these things. So a person coming out of our Mahavidyapit will be an 100% job getting person, because whatever courses we will be doing, those courses initially what we are starting are all postgraduate courses, and these postgraduate courses would be supported by these two foreign languages also. And for postgraduate courses, what we plan to start with, what we have already started, not plan, we already started are basically master of master of CSR, that is corporate social responsibility, master of cooperative management, master of charitable institutions, master of housing finance, master of vehicle finance, master of your mm, infrastructure management, and master in operations and maintenance of metro rail management. So this is a vast field and very target oriented for jobs. Now let me mention over here that this Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit as of now, as on today, is an purely autonomous institution. This why we have kept this autonomous institution? We have kept this institution purely autonomous because we want minimum government interference. We want to have our own design of course. We want to have our own teachers. Means we will have the best teacher in on the best teachers for our students. We will have our own curriculum, and therefore we will give only admissions to meritorious students, to students on merit, or all those students who want to do this course, or all those students who want to do this course with merit. There won't be any reservation in our institution. Therefore, we are keeping this institute as purely autonomous institute. Let me reiterate that this institute is only 100% autonomous institute, as we don't want any government interference. We are seeking help from international personalities. We are seeking help from all national personalities also, national experts who are there in this field. You can check our website already. Justice Deshmukh, Dilip Deshmukh has joined us as an advisor over here. Justice Deshmukh is a retired judge, retired principal district judge, who would be giving us advice on curriculum regarding whatever regarding the law is there, that is basically CSR, industrial relations, and other things, whatever related to laws. Then we have Mr. Vivek Gadge, who is the ex-chairman of L&T Hyderabad Metro. He would be giving us his inputs as far as the railways are concerned, as far as the metros are concerned. So all these courses would be designed in conjunction with them. We are already roping in people from retired people from the housing finance industry, from the finance, from the banking sector, for our housing finance and vehicle finance to promote these courses. We are also getting people from the infrastructure industry. Shortly, you will see them across coming to our board. So, all these people would add value to are adding value to our would be are adding value to our courses, our Mahavidyapit, and therefore placement of our students would not be difficult, because we would be training our students in such a way that with academics we will have 1 year internship. This 1 year internship would give jobs to our students, and along with these jobs we are going to along with this academics and internship, we are teaching 2 foreign languages, and foreign languages in such a way that this people would get jobs with in Indian multinationals of that subsequent languages as well as abroad. We are already establishing our centers in Germany and Japan to help our people to get jobs over there, to study the job market over there, and then implement those courses over here. So you don't worry, we have already identified stalwarts in these languages, basically German and Japanese. We have already launched. So I would appreciate all of you to visit the website, to register yourself on the website for a particular course. We will get back to you with the fee structure, with the fee model, and all other things. I request you all to register yourself on Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit for a particular course, and then we will give you a backup also. Mrs. Kedkar, who is on our governing body, she is a counselor. She is a counselor for education studies. Already our other YouTube channel Brahma Satya has already posted her 21 videos on education support. So I request you all to come register at Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit. We will make your future bright. We will make your future bright. So and this is not only for Brahmins. We are open for all our Vasudeva Kutumbanam. This is what I will put it. So all other people are also welcome. Only thing is that in our Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit, only merit will be addressed. So don't worry. For your future, come to us. We are there. For your bright future, come and join Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit. Thank you very much. Today only this much.